The Gap App Challenge, which launched in January of 2013, was the first time any school district had ever used a software challenge to solve, let's call it a procurement problem. The Gap App Challenge was focused on outcomes for middle school math. And what was interesting and different about it was starting with the definition of the problem. Typically, when districts go out to get software or anything else, they often don't pay enough attention to the needs of the people who will actually be working with it. And we in the iZone have a real commitment to user-centered design. We issued a very general statement as a provocation to the community of software and curriculum developers, basically inviting them to address what our educators defined as the gap within a given classroom, the broad range of skills that students enter middle school with when it comes to math. We got about 200 responses, and so we're able to go through a pretty great down select process with panels of teachers, of software and user experience experts, of DOE curriculum folks, venture capitalists, because we're concerned about the viability of these companies. One of the goals of the challenge was to open us up to working with what would be considered non-traditional providers, people who haven't done business with us before.